Alright, what's up guys? As I said in the previous video, a friend of mine told me that the Roadkill guys are going to be pretty close to home here at some ice drag racing event, so let's go check it out. Alright guys, so we're out on a big old lake right now, or river or some shit. It's frozen over. Ice drags. Apparently Finnegan and Freiberger are here, so we're gonna go try to find them. Let's check this place out.
I went to drag racing to watch them and broke the first day, so I never got to see
There's a drink with
What's the time?
We'll take pictures.
All right. Let's do a bunch of weird ones. That would be fun here. Ice wheelies? Yeah.
Lane 1 out of Wisconsin Rapids, Roadkill out of California, Lane 2. Finnegan is in the driver's seat, so we'll get to see what this thing runs down there. I hope they put a heater in it. I know on the episode it did not have a heater. I mean, that was a gutted out drag car. I know it's got a tin dash in it, Lexan windows. The mother bottle is still in the back seat, so I don't know if they're going to try that today or not. There's a spare tire in there. This should be something, guys. A lot of Roadkill fans here. I know Tony's been in several episodes of Finnegan here. I would say one of my favorites is, I'm sure everybody too, the Stubby Bob wheel stander, or with the Cadillac with the Cummins diesel engine, and that was a good episode. Alright, I think we're getting going here. Again, Travis, Wisconsin Rapids, Lane 1, Roadkill out of California, Lane 2. Lights are tight. There they go. Good start. Travis got out here with a reaction time of 5.22, Roadkill reaction 0.216. The Roadkill right lane takes it, ET 9.607, 75.10 miles an hour.
Alright, so the Roadkill guys just went. Finnegan just took the car down the track. It was actually kind of funny because it took them quite a while to get everything set up. You don't really see that in the TV show, but they had the guy waiting in lane 1 for probably 10 minutes while they got all the cameras set up. They set a camera up at the line, one at the 60-foot, one at the finish line. So it took kind of a while, but they did it. Holy crap.
Big old. What size turbo was that?
119 mil. What's the brand?
Precision.
Precision?
Everything precision.
Jesus.
Great motors, I like that.
I like the horsepower. That looks like a lot of fun and a lot of burnt up tires.
I know that 872.
872?
Yeah, it's just, you can boil tires for days, you know.
I believe that.
First and second gear are just ridiculously gone.
Nice. Well, and it looks nice too.
Thanks. Original paint, 40,000 mile car.
Really? he takes it in the snow. And he takes it in the snow.
It's all tight.
Alright, so we're gonna walk down and try to catch the roadkill car again. They're going up again, they got a drone out. We were able to predict it because the camera guys came back out, so let's go to the finish line and check it out. These guys got the best seat in the house right here. So we are right at the finish line. That means we're gonna be on roadkill on the drone camera. Woot woot! Hi Mom! Here we go! So I don't know who was driving that time, but Freiberger's not here. It's Finnegan and Tony D'Angelo that are here. So Finnegan drove the first time, maybe that was Tony, don't know. Right, so that 57 that was in lane 2 didn't go, and then we just heard the announcer saying that they were picking up parts off the ice, and it sounded like his drive shaft popped out when he tried to go, so broken. I guess that really puts it into perspective how grippy these tires are if they're on ice right now, and it's grippy enough that he broke his drive shaft trying to launch, so a lot of grip.
Roadkill takes it with an ET of 8.585.
Okay, we're gonna see what a 119 millimeter turbo does in the snow. That thing was crazy. You can still see all the ice in the air floating around over there. Holy crap. Alright guys, so this event was totally cool. There's some really cool stuff there, a lot of nice old cars, old trucks, and 119mm turbo. That thing was huge. It probably weighs like 200 pounds. It looked huge. The truck actually crashed. I did not get the video of the truck crashing. The run after I walked away, it crashed, like right in that spot where I was filming. So something actually kind of funny happened when me and my buddy were walking around, and I had my normal camera and it's like hooked up to a tripod and whatever, it's a camera. We were walking around and we started noticing that people were acting kind of weird as we were filming, and like we'd start filming a car and people would like jump out of the way and like back up and stuff, and people kept coming up to us and telling us like we should go film other things. Like that's how we actually found out about the big turbo in that other truck. Somebody came up to us and they're like, you need to go film that, it's really cool. It was just kind of seeming a little bit strange. We're like, wow, these people are really nice. Everybody's like getting out of the way and telling us what to film. And then some guy, I took a picture of his car. It was a blue car. I took a picture of the car, and then he came, like after we started walking away, he came up to get us and he's like, oh, you missed the best part. And he's like, it's a sleeper or whatever. And then he called us back over to film the engine and stuff. And it was like a 600 cubic inch engine. I forget the exact size, but it was over 600. Yeah, he said it's like 800 horsepower, but it's total sleeper car. But he called us back over and he wanted us to film it and tell us all about the car and how we got it and all this stuff. I'm like, wow, these people are really nice. This is pretty cool. And then the next car that we went to go film, I was filming the car and taking some pictures of it, and then some lady with a radio on, I think she was from the event, she comes up and she's like, you guys are with the Roadkill crew, right? Like, no. I'm like, I just have a camera and a beard. So then I said to my buddy, I'm like, do these people think that we're Roadkill filmers? So that's why they're like being nice and like telling us about all their cars and like coming to get us to film stuff. So we started thinking about it a little more, and we're thinking that's what was going on, is people were thinking that we were filming for Roadkill, but we just have beards and like cars. But anyways guys, hope you enjoyed the footage. The event was totally cool. I'm kind of considering getting some studded tires or making some tires and going to one of those events. It's about a 2-hour drive from here, but it would be totally fun. Looks pretty cool. It's an 8th mile event. I don't know, let me know. Should I do it? Should I not? Leave a comment. What do you think?